If we look at the diagram over here, this is what the machine looks like on the inside. There's the motor here, and then that drives this belt, in turn drives this piece, and then the shaft over here, which drives the pan, and then it turns the dough. So if the dough is too tough, this would cause strain all the way back to the motor, in which case the motor isn't going to be the one that fails, because some bread machines will actually stop the motor if there's too much strain on it so it doesn't burn out. I reckon this particular model, what it'll do is it's got the belt will actually take the fall for this, and then it'll skip on the actual cogs so that it doesn't damage the motor. And in the worst case scenario, you're going to probably be having to replace the belt over a long period of time, maybe like 10 years, I don't know. But seems like that's the best possible explanation. If there's somebody out there who's an engineer for bread makers, please comment and let me know, because I'm trying to figure this out. Having a look at the parts, you can see there really isn't that many pieces to it. It really is the belt, I think, that's actually doing a lot of the clicking sound when the motor's being put into too much strain. How can you stop this? Or how can you fix this? Maybe have a softer dough. But I've tried putting more water into my recipe, or less flour, and it ends up just being the same. Pretty much more the same. Having said that, it's not always the case. The machine only makes this noise during the knead phase 2, and that's generally when it's the hardest, and it only does it fairly irregularly, sometimes only a few seconds. So I think it depends on the position of the dough and how it's been kneaded during the phase. Sometimes it's just in a bad position and the paddle can't get itself out to mix, and yeah, I feel like that's what it is. And then with the thumping, if you have a look, you can see that the dough is just hitting the side of the pan, so that's not a huge issue. That's just dough hitting a pan. And then of course with the last bit, where you can hear a click noise every time it rotates backwards, it's just the paddle hitting the pan as well, so that it's trying to spin the other way, so it doesn't. I think it's partly to not overload the motor, and also to give it a different type of knead. Okay, well, here's my investigation. If you've got any comments, please let me know. I would love to hear them, especially people who are... Well, that's my bread maker, finishing with the loaf. Especially people who have been tinkering with this for a long time. Would love to hear from you.